This is an Underwood number 5 from 1926. As it is a number 5, it has a standard carriage instead of the wide carriage that the number 3 offers. It was made in Canada. Here's that typical sticker that Canadian Underwoods have. It's a little bit chipped over there, but that's pretty much it. All the decals are in really good shape, as you can see over here and over here. The ruler also is in really good shape, considering the age. It's 90 years old this year. Pinstriping is in really good shape, especially here, surprisingly. That usually rubs off because you try to click that button and you rub your finger against it, but it's intact on this machine. And here it's also in really good shape. This Underwood has black keys instead of the typical white. There's no real telling in which were more common, it was just a preference. The back space is green for some reason. I think that was a newer thing that they did back then. The machine has a tiny crack in its frame, but I've covered it up with electricity tape. As you can see, that rubber tape that's very stretchy. The crack went all the way through, but it doesn't affect the functionality of the machine or misshapes its shape. This is still straight, it's not bent out of shape, it's the way it should be. And the crack is just very straight. Here's the bottom of the machine. The margin lock doesn't work, unfortunately. It's broken, as you can tell. So that just hangs there, but it doesn't do anything anymore. Unfortunately, the machine only has one good foot, and that's this one. The rest of them, the screw has started to come through. So what I did is I grabbed some felt and I stapled that to the bottom of the feet, which works surprisingly well. And it protects the desk from scratches. Those staples do. The machine is a little bit dusty from sitting. I had it on display for a while, but I did clean it. As you can see, the keys are a little bit blue because I have used the machine, but the basket is very clean. I will give it a quick wipe off afterwards. The bell also is in good cosmetic shape. Just a little bit of wear, but these tend to rust pretty badly, and this one really isn't all that bad. This machine doesn't have any rust really. And the serial number is 220914-104-5. There you have it. So this is that Underwood number 5. I will make a brief typing demonstration of this. Now the ribbon is a little bit faint, but you can read what it says. Pretty good, I think. Anyway, there you have a typing sample of this 90-year-old Underwood. Thanks very much for watching.